What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to add new fonts to Photoshop CC. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. Click on the first link in the description or simply visit dafont.com to get to this page. This website will help you find interesting fonts to use for free. Make use of categories to find a few fonts you wish to use and then click on download. After a second or two, the fonts will be downloaded to your downloads folder. You will then need some unarchiving software, such as WinRAR or 7-zip. You can download these applications for free on Windows 10. Right-click the zip file to unarchive the content with your preferred program and drag and drop the content to your desktop. Double-click the .otf file and this window will open up, showing you each character of your new font in different sizes. Select Install to install it, and then you can close this window and delete the downloaded files. When opening up Photoshop CC, you should be able to select and apply the newly installed font. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.